Welcome back to Next Gen Motorhomes, everyone. Today we're standing in front of one of the most iconic and luxurious diesel pushers on the planet, the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Bus. If you've ever dreamed of owning a coach that feels like a penthouse on wheels with the driving manners of a luxury SUV, this is the one people measure everything else against. We got the 45 OPP floor plan here, powered by the Cummins 450 horsepower engine, riding on Tiffin's legendary PowerGlide chassis. Let's waste no time and dive straight into this full detail. Exterior, interior, performance, technology, and yes, the price that makes some people faint and others hit by without hesitation. Starting with the outside, the first thing that hits you is how stunning this coach still looks after all these years. Tiffin refuses to chase trendy graphics packages every season, and it pays off. This 2025 model wears the new Platinum Ice full-body paint with subtle silver and charcoal accents that shimmer in the sunlight without screaming for attention. The paint is 6 layers deep, clear-coated, and then hand-sanded between every single coat. You can literally see your reflection in the sidewalls like it's a black Ferrari. No orange peel, no waves, just glass. Up front, you've got the completely redesigned LED headlight clusters with integrated fog lamps and those signature Tiffin eyebrow marker lights. The one-piece panoramic windshield is heated and tinted, and the wipers park completely out of sight for that clean look. The front cap is fiberglass, not gel coat, so it won't fade or chalk over time. Power awnings everywhere. The 20-foot Gerard main patio awning with LED lighting and wind sensor, plus slide-out toppers on all 4 super slides, and even a smaller awning over the entry door. Walk around the sides, and you'll notice the coach sits perfectly level thanks to the Valid Air leveling system with hydraulic jacks that have 10-inch stroke and 14-inch pads. No more crooked coach in the campground. The basement is massive, fully pass-through storage with both side-swinging and lift-up doors, all lined with LED lighting and finished in automotive-grade carpet. Tiffin gives you two 50-amp power cords on reels, a 12.5 kilowatts Onan quiet diesel generator on a power slide tray, and the optional exterior entertainment center with 50-inch Samsung TV and soundbar. The roof is one-piece fiberglass with a ladder that feels like it was built for a fire truck. Solid, no flex. Fuel fill is on both sides now, 150-gallon tank, plus 13-gallon DEF tank tucked neatly away. Tires are Michelin 315/80 are 22.5 with polished aluminum wheels and the spare tire stored in its own compartment. Ground clearance is excellent for a 45-footer, and the turning radius is shockingly tight thanks to the independent front suspension we'll talk about in a minute. Open the pneumatic entry door with keyless entry and grab the massive chrome handle. Welcome to the interior that makes Monaco and Newmar owners jealous. Tiffin calls this the sandstone decor with glazed honey cherry hardwood cabinetry, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The fit and finish is on another level. Every drawer is soft closed with full extension ball bearing slides. Every cabinet door has hidden hinges and magnetic latches, and the woodwork is real hardwood, hand-rubbed, no vinyl wrap anywhere. Right as you step in, you've got the powered entry step cover that hides away with one button, and the Villa ultra leather driver and passenger seats that swivel, recline, heat, cool, and massage. The dash is a work of art. Polished burlwood accents, 15-inch digital dash cluster from Valid, and the new Tiffin exclusive steering wheel with real leather and wood rim. All controls fall perfectly to hand, and visibility is phenomenal thanks to the huge windshield and side windows. The cockpit technology is insane for 2025. You get the 15-inch Rand McNally RV GPS with built-in dash cams front and rear, 360-degree bird's eye camera system, Mobileye collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and the side view cameras that automatically activate when you signal. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, plus the new JBL premium audio system with subwoofer and all. Moving into the living area. For super slides, make this coach feel like a 2,000 square foot apartment. The galley and living room are completely open with 7-foot flat ceilings and LED recessed lighting on dimmers. Flooring is heated porcelain tile throughout the entire coach, including the slides. The sofa is a dual reclining ultra-leather theater seat with heat and massage, and opposite is the 86-inch PowerLift 4K Samsung TV with Bose sound system and Blu-ray player. Electric fireplace below with 5,200 BTU heat output for those chilly mornings. The kitchen is where Tiffin absolutely flexes. Solid surface countertops with LED backlighting, residential French door refrigerator with ice and water in the door, convection microwave, 2-burner induction cooktop, and a new Fisher & Paykel dishwasher drawer. Huge farmhouse stainless sink with residential faucet and pull-down sprayer, plus a full pantry with soft-close drawers and a hidden spice rack. Overhead, you've got glazed cherry cabinets with frosted glass inserts and under-cabinet lighting. Dining area has a beautiful solid wood table with 4 chairs. 2 of them fold away for extra space. And there's a buffet with more storage and wine rack. All windows have powered MCD day/night shades, blackout at night, solar during the day, and 0 light gaps because Tiffin uses the valance-less design now. Mid-coach, you've got the half bath with porcelain toilet, solid surface vanity, and huge mirror. Then the master suite. King bed with sleep number mattress. Underbed storage that lifts on gas struts, cedar-lined wardrobe with mirror doors that feels like a Neiman Marcus closet, and a dresser with 50-inch TV that rises on a lift. The rear bath is spa-level, double vanity, massive glass shower with seat and rainfall head, another porcelain toilet, and a splendid stacked washer and dryer in its own closet. Climate control is handled by 4 low-profile Penguin heat pumps with 15,000 BTU each, plus the AquaHot 450D hydronic heating system that gives endless hot water and heats the coach silently. 3-zone control, so bedroom, bath, and living area all independent. Now let's talk driving, because this is where the Allegro Bus destroys the competition. It rides on Tiffin's own PowerGlide chassis with independent front suspension, SAC shocks, and rear airbags with Koni shocks. Steering is ZF variable ratio with power assist that tightens up at highway speed. The 450 horsepower Cummins ISL is paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed transmission and engine brake that actually works. On the road, this 45-foot, 48,000-pound beast drives like a 35-footer. 0 body roll, no sway, and the independent front suspension means potholes disappear. I took it up a 9% grade, fully loaded, and it never dropped below 55 miles per hour in 5th gear. Fuel economy? We saw 8.7 miles per gallon on a 400-mile trip with mountains, which is excellent for this size. Brakes are full air with ABS, and the exhaust brake combined with the transmission downshifting makes descending grades effortless. Noise level inside at 70 miles per hour is conversation quiet. You can actually hear the TV without turning it up. Standard features most brands charge extra for. 50-amp service with energy management, 2,800-watt pure sine wave inverter, 10-house batteries, 1,000 amp-hours of lithium optional, solar prep with 600 watts on the roof standard, sea-level tank monitoring, central vacuum, safe in the bedroom, exterior propane connection for your grill, and the list goes on. So what does all this perfection cost? The 2025 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP starts at $682,000 before options. Our coach here, with full body paint, heated floors, lithium package, dishwasher, theater seating, and the technology package stickers at $748,500. Is it expensive? Absolutely. Is there anything on the market that matches the build quality, ride, and resale value? Not even close. Tiffin holds value better than any other brand. 5-year-old Allegro buses still sell for 70 to 75% of original price. If you want the absolute best diesel pusher money can buy, with legendary customer service, Tiffin owners know the factory actually answers the phone. Hand-built quality in Red Bay, Alabama, and a coach your grandkids will fight over one day. This is it. That's our deep dive on the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Bus. If you're shopping in this class, you owe it to yourself to drive one. Drop your thoughts below. Worth the money or too rich for your blood? Smash that like button if you want to see us review the new Entegra Anthem next. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep chasing those horizons. We'll see you down the road.